All right, guys, 99 Burb 1500. Put a 383 in here, did a couple of custom things. May seem like a lot going on. All this stuff is fused. There's nothing to worry about. This is a fan from a 2006 2500 series with a I believe it was the off-road package. This was a drop-in from Rock Auto. It was just a drop-in Dorman replacement. I added longer wires. I got the right clips on the bottom. Let's see. Now the bottom, believe it or not, sit in the bracket where the original fan shroud was. And it's basically holding itself in place. I had to move one of these, I believe that's a engine cooler hose. I just had to move it back a little further, and this thing basically went right in. There's no way to mount the top, so I use this is called a Kindorf L. I use that. It's been working for, I think it's about 4 years it's running now. This is a piece of siding I just used to keep the gap closed. I run some wires in there. Again, this is just a Kindorf L bracket. Down here I have the temperature control switches, the thermostats, if you will. They're the probe style. I have one on either side controlling the appropriate fan. One kicks on low, one kicks on high, obviously. Now, you can't just, the power the fan consumes will just burn these things out. So you need a controller. Now over here, these are, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but they're Cole Hersey 100 amp continuous duty 12 volt DC contactors. These things are rugged, man. These things are the most rugged things I've ever seen. I have it fused off a breaker right here. I believe that's a 100 amp breaker. And everything's grounded right here. I have those little guys, the control circuit, I guess, fused back here. You know, I got one of my batteries is right here, but I have to clean this up. That's a whole nother video. I'm going to get a distribution block and all that. And that's what controls my fans. It's not the cleanest setup, but I tell you what, it's reliable. The AC pumps in this truck, and yeah, it works good. Like I said, Dorman drop-in. It's nice to have factory replacements if you want to convert. Okay, guys, I hope I covered everything.